y'all see this? Y'all see how foamy that is? It's so good. It's not cold foam. It is dairy-free whipped cream. Where my girlies at that are stuck in their weight loss journey, trying to figure out, I'm doing all these things, but my weight is just stagnant right now. Well, I just made me a cup of coffee and it came to me, a lot of girls or guys who are drinking coffee every day, y'all are using dairy, and that is making your weight be at a standstill. You gotta make sure that you use dairy free. I lost over 30 pounds during the pandemic, and now that I'm postpartum, I've lost a little over 20 pounds. So I'm getting back to my anti-inflammatory diet and my non-dairy diet. I'm not doing any sugar right now. When I make my coffee, I use a regular instant coffee, oat milk creamer, or you can use almond milk, but I use oat milk. This is only 25 calories. I believe almond milk is a little less. Don't cold foam on top. Get you some dairy-free whipped cream. They have it at any store. I got this at Aldi, but I typically get mine from Kroger. It's a coconut non-dairy whipped cream. It's only 10 calories. And I use that instead of cold foam because you have to use cream for cold foam. And when you're using that dairy creamer and that dairy cold foam, y'all are adding calories on top of calories onto your coffee that you're putting in your body every single day. So make this change in your diet and you will see progression. Comment below if it works for you or if y'all have any more suggestions for me to use.